How to create Binance Wallet account. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to create Binance Wallet account, make sure you have the Binance application on your device. If not, you can easily go ahead and download the application from your App Store or your Play Store. Now open the application. You will be asked to select your preferred language, so go ahead and select your preferred language and tap on Next. Now select which type of user you are. You can choose from crypto novice and experienced user. You will now be asked how you want to log yourself into Binance. You can select to sign up with email or phone number or continue with Google or Apple. I will tap on continue with Google. So go ahead and enter your email address and your password. You will receive a verification code, so enter that. You will now be asked if you want to enable passkey. So tap on the add passkey option. You will receive a verification code again, so enter that and tap on the submit and enable a passkey option. Once done, you will be led to the home page of Binance, and with this you have successfully created wallet account in Binance. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.